Hi, my name is Catherine Carter, and this is my video on the expanded functions on applying dental sealants. Slide. There we go. Okay. Dental sealants are applied to the occlusal surface of the teeth in the pits and fissures to prevent tooth decay. Scientific studies have been found that the proper placement of dental sealants will prevent um, cavities up to 100% of the time, as long as they are installed correctly. That wasn't right. They're not installed. Scientific studies have found that properly placed sealants are 100% effective in preventing cavities on sealed tooth surfaces. Page 920 of the Modern Dental Assisting book. By the way, I'll go ahead and disclose that every bit of information that is on this slide has been found in the Modern Dental Assisting textbook for this class. Sealants are indicated for teeth with deep pits and fissures, preferably in newly erupted teeth, but it can be used in primary and permanent dentition alike. Contraindications when deciding on putting sealants on teeth include this first picture here, which is tooth decay. You would not put sealants on that. This second picture on the right here is a partially erupted tooth. You would not apply the dental sealant to that tooth at this time. Another reason you would not put a sealant on teeth is if you are indicative that the teeth will be lost soon as far as primary dentition. Another contraindication would be a volatile or uncooperative patient. I would generally say possibly an unruly child that could prevent proper placement of. The procedure to apply these dental sealants only differentiate very little bit. There is a self-cure and a light cured. Now with the example that we have up here is the light cured. Step one, generally you would use a dental dam and saliva ejector to isolate the teeth that are to be sealed to reduce moisture, and that is a key component to prevent failure. We'll discuss that later on. You would clean the teeth and rinse thoroughly, dry it before you put the etching solution that is applied. You let that sit for 20 to 30 seconds. Clean and rinse the tooth again. When applying the sealant, apply it liberally, but try not to use an excessive amount. In this particular example, you would use the blue light spectrum to polymerize the resin. And to ensure that it cures appropriately, you will check with the Explorer to ensure that all fissures and pits are covered. After that, you would remove the dental dam and check the occlusion with articulation paper and adjust the sealant if needed. The precautions when using this when doing this procedure is the the Itch On Project product does have hydrochloric acid in it, and it can burn your eyes, skin, and mucosal skin inside of the mouth. Uh, that's why we use the dental dam to try to prevent that, and gloves and eyewear. Another precaution when using the light spectrum sealant is to use protective eyewear because the blue spectrum can be harmful to your eyes. Another precaution is an airlate allergy. General rule of thumb is to just not use it if you know that you have that allergy. Post-operative instructions include do not chew or bite down for 1 to 2 hours, practice good oral hygiene, schedule timely dental visits, and check for the sealant retention. Some failures can occur. Some common failures is the water contamination, which can ultimately loosen the sealant, and it can be lost, or it will stay in place and cause tooth to get underneath, which can go undetected for some time. On the right here, you'll see the occlusal interference, which can be prevented by using a minimal but adequate amount of sealant and adjusting it with the articulation paper at the time of the procedure is done. Thank you for joining me for this video. That is it for me today. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you very much.